guys, we are here at Gokarna and this is the March vlog with me. Again, this guy almost in every trip. New member Somikda with mask.
Yeah.
Wear it.
Hey, why are you touching this?
Here's the other one. Eranika. Please introduce. No need to introduce. Anyway, we are here at a viewpoint. So that is Kudle Beach. We'll be staying somewhere near the beach actually, and we have rented 2 scooties to explore Gokarna and everything. So yeah, this is good. 3 days of Gokarna. Let's go. So we have got 2 rooms. One this side, another this side, and this is the path to our resort.
It's not a resort, bro.
Whatever it is, it's a homestay, it's a resort, it's a hotel, I don't know, but this is the path. Come on man, don't be late, we haven't had breakfast yet and it's almost time for lunch. Actually, lunchtime is almost over. So, we have parked our scooty at the Yana Caves parking, and well, we just asked someone, they're telling us that we have to go 2 kilometers almost on this path. So, 2 kilometers on this path is doable. It's easy, right? It's easy. So now we have steps. Previously we had a dirty, muddy path. Now it's steps. So part of the Yana caves, actually the caves are at the bottom. Wow. Help protect leopards. Maybe we need more help when the leopards come here. My God. I haven't seen something like this before. So, take a selfie or watch the mountain. This is the main attraction here. Come on guys, come on, you're almost there. He's way behind. He will come. So we left our shoes outside, washed our legs, hands and faces because it's a temple. It's the norm here to wash yourself, leave your shoes outside and then visit. So I have seen caves, but not like these before. These are really unique in a sense. And also I didn't knew Karnataka has something like this. It's a good decision that we made to come here. Check this out. There's almost like no end to it. So that is the top of the cave. It's an opening. Narrow path. I'm not claustrophobic, but I'm not liking this. Oh. Finally.
And that's how our first day ended. Later, we had an amazing dinner at one of the shacks at Kudle Beach. They light up the whole beach at night and create an awesome ambience for a laid back and relaxing into your day. I'll just say this, if you're visiting Gokarna, this should be at the top of your list.
Good morning guys, this is day 2 of our Gokarna trip. Today we were supposed to catch sunrise at a beach, and for that we actually booked an auto. That auto was supposed to arrive at 5:45 a.m. I woke up at 5, called the auto and his number was switched off. We missed sunrise, still we got an auto to come to Pelican Beach. The main part is on that side. We'll start the trek from here. No sunrise for today, maybe sunset somewhere.
After all this hiking and beach hopping, we finally landed on Om Beach, at which point we were quite hungry, so we grabbed lunch and headed back to Kudle Beach. Good morning guys, this is day 3 of our Gokarna trip. This is the last day, sadly. I have planned for doing surfing, so only one session I'll do.
So yesterday was Women's Day. I'm sorry I forgot to wish you Happy International Women's Day.
Thank you.
Hey woman. So we came with our scooties and kept it on the roadside, and now we have to walk to the surf school. Wow. So this is the 7-kilometer stretch of Gokarna main beach. It is so hot in here. It's above 30s and the sand is just like molten lava. My god, it's so difficult to walk. Oh, got the board. Let's roll. Sorry, let's surf. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, sand is so hot. Should I use the GoPro or not? That's the question. If it goes in the water, I'll lose it since I don't have a floaty with me. Yeah, so I ended up not using the GoPro actually because I didn't had a floaty. One more reason is that I wasn't able to catch a single wave. So even if I would have used it, it would have been all in vain.
At least I have some decent pictures that my friend took. He has also made a video of this trip and I'll leave a link. So go check it out.
I just freshened up right now and going towards Kudle Beach to have something to eat, and we'll catch our bus for return journey to Bangalore. That's it then.
Gokarna is an amazing place worthy of a second visit. Goa on a budget? Well, this is it. My mind was already clear. 12 vacations I'll do this year. But then you know what happened, and that put my plans to an end.